The version of you in 2025 is staring back at you right now, and he's pissed off. He's not angry because you failed. He's furious because you quit before it even got hard. You lied to him. You said, "Tomorrow I'll start. One day I'll get in shape. I'll build the business. After I fix my sleep, my stress, my relationship." That version of you? He's broken, and he wants to know one thing. Why did you stop fighting for me? Let's start with a truth most people can't handle. You are not tired. You are not busy. You are addicted. Addicted to comfort, addicted to average, addicted to the lie that you have more time. David Goggins calls it the accountability mirror. Every morning, he looked himself dead in the eye and ripped off the mask. You're fat because you eat like shit. You're broke because you don't work hard. You're weak because you quit when it burns. Not because of your parents, not your job, not the system. You are the problem. But here's the kicker. That's the best news you'll ever hear. Because if you're the problem, you're also the solution. There's a 4-letter word more dangerous than fail, more toxic than can't, worse than fear. TOMORROW. It whispers softly. It's okay. You can start Monday. Rest a little. You deserve it. One cheat day won't hurt. But Goggins, he buried tomorrow years ago, because tomorrow is where dreams go to die. He ran 100 miles with broken bones, bleeding feet, and kidneys on the verge of failure. Why? Because he made a promise to his future self. I will not let you down. Most people spend their lives trying to avoid pain, but pain is the compass. Goggins chased pain like a bloodhound. When it burned, he knew he was on the right track. When it hurt, it meant he was becoming. Your body lies to you. It says stop at 40%. That's your comfort setting. That's the voice of mediocrity. The pain is the gatekeeper of greatness. You're not supposed to feel like it. You're supposed to do it anyway. There's a version of you that never hits snooze, who works after everyone's asleep, who trains when others rest, who speaks truth no matter how ugly. You've met him once or twice, in flashes, in moments of rage, of focus, of obsession. But you buried him again, under comfort, under excuses, under softness. It's time to dig that version out. Who you are today is not who you're meant to be. David Goggins. Goggins didn't want to be like most people. He didn't even want to be like the elite. He wanted to be uncommon among the uncommon. The man the seals whispered about. The guy who doesn't break. The man who doesn't flinch. Not for the world, for himself. Being tough isn't about muscles. It's about discipline when no one's watching. It's about doing the thing you said you'd do when you hate doing it. Every time you hear that little voice, just take it easy today. You did enough yesterday. It's not a big deal if you skip one time. That's not your friend. That's your weakness trying to make a deal. Didn't negotiate. He executed. He ran through hell and smiled, not because he enjoyed it, but because he refused to let weakness win. When the lights are off and no one's watching, who are you then? Because that's the version that 2025 will judge. Not your IG posts, not your Spotify playlists, not your gym selfies, the work, the suffering, the sacrifice. It either compounds or it disappears. There's no villain, No hero, just you against you. The easy you versus the hard you. The soft version versus the savage one. The liar versus the disciplined. Which one are you feeding today? Because in 2025, one of them will be left standing. The clock doesn't care about your goals. It's moving, and it's not waiting for you to feel ready. 2025 is already on its way, and it's bringing the version of you built or abandoned. Don't be the one who says, I could have been, I almost did, if only. Be the one who shows up to the mirror in 2025 and says, I kept the promise. This wasn't a motivation video. This was a warning. Now you've got a choice. You either click away and forget this, or you step into the next video and keep sharpening your edge. The next video will punch your excuses in the mouth again. Go, watch. Now, and if you don't, then 2025 will still come, and he'll still be waiting, but he won't be proud.